Hi everyone, today we're talking about Octopus energy. If you are considering buying an EV, chances are that you will be reviewing your arrangements for electricity supply in your home. I switched to Octopus 6 months ago, so I thought I'd share my experience with you. First thing to note is that all Octopus tariffs are based on 100% renewable electricity. That means they invest renewable energy to match your demand. To make the most of Octopus, you will want to have a smart meter installed. If you have done this already, great. Otherwise, you'll be setting up an appointment. Probably wait for a few weeks until the engineer comes for a couple of hours and then switch the meters, both electricity and gas, to smart meters. This is at no cost to you. And then you're set up to make use of preferential tariffs for electricity at night. At the time of switching, tariffs were typically advantageous compared to other suppliers both on gas and on electricity. Now these things can change a little, and as of Jan 2022, it's in fact not a good time to take on a new contract at all, and probably across the suppliers. Current rates are anywhere between 50% and 100% more expensive than what I got about 6 months ago. Like with most things in life, there's an app, although it's more of a mobile-friendly website access, if I'm honest. It gives you information about gas as well as electricity. You get plenty of dashboards to check your consumption, and it's always at most on the previous day though, so you will never see the information for data for your consumption on the day itself. You want to get even nerdier, there's an API and you've got the ability to download all of your data, so lots of flexibility there. The bill is very detailed and it allows to check that scheduling of electric usage at night works out. For instance, it can be convenient if you don't have a wall box for your EV or in other scenarios. In our case, we managed to push about half of our electricity use to the night, and I'm pretty happy with that. So far, I can't fault Octopus, it does exactly what it says on the tin. So I'm converted, 2 thumbs up from me. If you have switched over, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you haven't and are interested, I include my referral link below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment, and I'll talk to you soon.